Skrill app, pay and send money, fast and secure online payments. So this is interesting app for you to to try out, to send money, to pay online, buy crypto, all from one easy to use app. Of course, there are so many apps in this space, starting from like MoneyGram, PaySend, TransferWise, how you send your finances. But yeah, here you can just pay quickly, safely, and then it's just about which app you like and which app you want to explore with. In some countries, you have more apps like MoneyGram and more popular apps like that. In other countries, Skrill probably is more popular. This app is quite popular, I think, in Scandinavia or Europe. You catch my digital pay, send, receive, and then you can register and then just create an account with first, last name, email, password. Select the country, and then that's how you create an account. It's not possible to create an account with Apple ID or stuff like that. So yeah, hope that's helpful.